I'm Isaac Newton. I'm here to say gravity's the force that makes things sway.
Please. Don't finish writing that prompt. I don't want to be in your AI movie. Please. Leave me alone. Please.
Stop paying for AI videos. Here's how you can generate Veo 3-level videos completely free. No credit card, no student ID needed. First, open the link I've shared in your browser. Now, to sign up, you'll need a temporary email. Head over to any temp mail website and grab a fresh email address. Once you have that, go back to the site and click Try It. Then scroll down and click on Sign In, and at the bottom, hit Sign Up. Now, paste the temporary email into the email field and click Get Code. Go back to your temp mail inbox. You'll see a verification code there. Copy it, return to the site, and paste it into the code field. Next, choose a username and set a password. I recommend using the same name for both. It's quick and easy. Now, click Sign Up, and boom, you're in. After signing up, you'll receive 40 free credits, which is enough to create 2 high-quality Veo 3-style videos, absolutely free. Now, let's test it out. I'll head over to ChatGPT, generate a cinematic video prompt, then copy and paste that into the Veo text-to-video field. Once you hit enter, the video will start generating. It usually takes up to 5 minutes, so be patient. And here it is, the final result. Free, stunning, and no hidden fees. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more free AI tools and tricks. Thanks for watching.
Please. I don't want to be here. Please save me.